I'm going to be showing you our user memory feature in our Mentor AI platform. This is a feature that allows mentors to personalize the response based on a user's individual profile. So we've got two users we're going to be taking a look at. We're going to first look at this user, Ashlyn1. And we can see that based off of previous conversations, we have a user profile built out based on, what their interests are, what they're studying, so on and so forth, whatever information they've provided to the mentor about themselves to guide the mentor to provide responses based off their user profile. That's kind of what this is here. So you can see that this Ashlyn1 user, she is an artistic person who enjoys reading. Her job career choice is digital marketing. We've got her GPA in here as well. And more information about this user, like, career interests, interests outside of school or their career, anything like that can really be added here. This is just who the user is and how we store the information based off of the conversations that they have with the mentor. The other user we're going to be looking at during this demo is going to be this user, Ashlyn4. So this is a person who's a software engineer, loves computers, has a relatively decent GPA. So we're going to be taking a look at one user who is studying marketing and then another one who is in the software engineer field. So what we're going to do now is log in as one of these users to start. First, we're going to go to the Mentor platform, and we're going to start with the marketing user. So this is the user who is a marketing major. We're going to say, how can I level up in my career? And you can see right here, it says, to level up your career as a digital marketer. The mentor is actually taking in the information that it knows about this user, remembering it, and using that to tailor its response, giving personalized guidance based on this user's background. So for instance, in this case, offering marketing career advice, whereas when we log in with the other user, we'll see that the conversation is going to be more geared towards software engineering. It also is going to update in real time to match the user's profile and suggesting relevant follow-ups. So you can see we've got these guided prompts here. These are AI-generated prompts based off the conversation history. So we're going to say, what are some entry-level job roles? And again, you're going to see this is specifically for the marketing field. We have, a multitude of different profiles that you can have. It's not just going to be things like marketing or engineering. It could be literally any sort of information about this user. And this can also be used by admins to review the chat history, identifying where learner gaps are, tracking progress, seeing where, if it's an intro class that everybody at a university takes, is the engineering student doing better than the marketing student, things like that. And this really does lead to a more human and relevant, helpful experience when it comes to mentoring a user who is not really sure what to do with their career or needs something that's more tailored to their specific personality and who they are. So now what we're going to do is log in as the other user. So we're going to go Ashlyn4. So now we're going into the platform as the engineering profile. And we're going to ask the same question. What can I do to level up in my career? And this time, instead of talking about marketing, because we're using that engineering, software engineering profile, we're actually getting career advice based off of that, rather than, just a global, not personalized in what's or any way kind of response that might be a little bit more generic. This actually is taking in, again, what we know about the learner. We're going to ask what jobs match my skills, and it's going to give us jobs related. Like I said earlier, it doesn't have to be just related to jobs or a specific course that they're taking. This information can really personalize any sort of guidance needed for that learner based off of what the mentor knows about them. And that's how user memory works.